And here we go again. Cut this one out. Pretty good. A little rough on one side, smooth on the other, which I don't know why it did that, but yep. Started losing steps over here, went around, got wonky here, and now it's just wonky in here too. Looks like it's losing steps on the X now. Lovely. I'm going to take a look at those. Yep, it just glitched right there. Did you see it? I'm going to take a look at these screws, see if those are loose. I don't know. This thing runs good for a week, and then all I can say is if you get one of these, don't throw your Allen wrenches away. That's tight. So we'll check these next. See if maybe it's slipping on that. See if I can get you in there. That's a smaller one, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, you know what? I do see. Look in here. That coupler has come apart. Looks like it's slipped out. How does that even happen? How does that even happen? For that to happen, it would have to, the lead screw would have to go that way. It is loose. It's not sticking out on this end. Pretty sure that's not supposed to come off like that. This was one piece when I put it on. I can't even get to this. How did it move in? That's the problem. I can't even get to the head to get it out. And it just chewed that up. I don't think that's supposed to be a spiral, is it? Wow. Alright. Well, let's take this side off, see if this side's a spiral. I swear this is about once a week when I use it. Okay, so that's loose. Okay, let's get wrench number 12. Figure out which one it is. I don't think that's it. That's better. Yep. That's what I thought. Not a spiral. So this was twisting around in there. Okay, so that just goes back together again. That's fine. That's dandy. But what do I do about that? I don't know if you're coming up on camera or not, but that is definitely threaded now. Alright, well, let's see what the experts say. Looks like I need a new one of these, if you ask me, but I don't know, maybe there's an easy fix.